Hi, welcome to Brainweaver's E-Trade Retail Management System. In today's session, we will discuss about how to prepare estimate in Brainweaver's E-Trade Retail Management System. To invoke estimate from the work center, choose prepare estimate. The date will be the current date. The pricing mode you can choose by default. Retail pricing will be the default pricing mode. If you want wholesale price, you can choose it from this combo box. And in the bottom side, you have to define or choose the products you wish to enter into this estimate. By pressing the enter key, system will display all the available product list. You can choose this. I'm entering the quantity 10 meter. Here the system is giving a pop-up saying that the product you have chosen is having insufficient stock. If you are proceeding with issuance of this estimate, please arrange the LPO and ensure that you are having the sufficient quantity in your store to meet this estimate commitment. Here you can see the MRP on item and the cost price is displaying here, as well as retail price is also showing here. So by seeing this cost price, current retail price, and what is MRP printed on this item, it will be very easy for you to fix or offer the current selling price. I'm mentioning the same price as what is our existing retail price. Here in this example, it is 90 rupees. If you want to add another item, by pressing the down arrow and by pressing the enter key, we can choose another item. Whatever item is having insufficient stock, system will display you an alert about this item is not having sufficient quantity, what you are entering the quantity in your estimate. If you want to remove any of the product from this estimate by placing the cursor on a selected or specific product, and by clicking this delete button, you can remove the selected rows from this estimate. Once you have finished with the preparation of estimate, by clicking the save button, you can save and take the printout of this estimate. Since we have set the default printing method as A5 landscape, system is showing the estimate in A5 format. If you want to generate this estimate in 3-inch format, by setting the default invoice format in the setup company, here we can see the default print style I have chosen is A5 landscape. If you wish to generate the estimate in 3-inch thermal format, from now onwards, whenever you generate the estimate, by default, system will display the estimate in the format which you have set as default in the company setup. Here we can see the 3-inch format I have chosen as the default printing style. That is the reason system is showing the estimate in 3-inch format. If you want to generate or take the printout of the old estimates, by clicking this view button, we will get a list of all the estimates we have prepared earlier, and by choosing a specific estimate, we can take the printout of this specific estimate. Similarly, if you want to modify any of the estimate, first you have to select the estimate you wish to modify, and after that click on this modify button. Here in this list, either you can remove an item or you can add an item, or if you want to change the selling price, that also you can do. Once you have saved everything or modified everything, by clicking save button, system will modify the estimate. So in this way, you can prepare estimate in Brainweaver's e-trade retail management system in a very easy method. The another feature is, let us discuss about few of the MIS reports. To invoke the MIS report from the reports menu, we can select MIS report. The other method is by clicking the right mouse button in the home screen, we can see MIS report in the pop-up menu. In the bottom side, you can see if you want to generate a report based on a date range, we can make use of this date range field. Here, if I want to see a detailed stock report based on the category, by clicking this category wise stock analysis, you can generate a category wise stock analysis report like this. In this report, you can see how many categories we have defined in the inventory. You can see here. Here, for example, the category name album, battery, beverage, cement, cloak, electrical, footwear. What are the categories you have created? That will be displayed here. And based on this category, we will get different managerial information from this report. Here, there is a column called products count. It means under the category album, we have 2 products, and under the category battery, we have 7 products. And here in the electrical, there are 86 products we have. So we can easily identify or understand in each category how many products we have created in each category. That information you can see from this report. And another one is lowest price and highest price. It means in each category, what is the selling price of the, or what is the lowest selling price of products in each category. Here example, in album, the lowest priced album you have is 900 rupees. And in the same category album, the highest album price is 4500. Here, for example, under clock, only one item is there. Product count is 1. So the lowest price is also 2200 and the highest price is also 2200. Under the category construction, the total products we have under this category is 3. Out of these 3, the lowest price product is 12 rupees and the highest price of the product is 24 rupees. So in this way, we can very easily identify in each category what is the lowest selling price and what is the highest selling price. Another one is highest stock quantity and lowest stock quantity. In each category, there may be a number of products you have. Out of such product, which product is having the highest stock and what is that highest stock quantity. Here, under the category battery, there are 7 products and the highest stock quantity is 91. It means one of the product is having, out of the 7 product, one of the product is having a closing stock and the closing stock is 91 pieces. Similarly, out of the 7 products in the category battery, one of the product is having the lowest stock quantity 6. So in each category, which product is having the lowest stock quantity and which product is having the highest stock quantity, that we can get in this category wise stock analysis report. And each category, what is the total stock value of each category, that will be displayed here. For example, under the category album, there are 2 products and the stock value or post value of this total product is coming to 30,800. Under the category battery, there are 7 products. The total stock value of the 7 product is 7,13,878. Another managerial information we can see in this report is in each category there may be different products and we may have purchased the products under various purchase bills. Out of this, which product we have purchased more quantity, that information we can get in this report as highest purchased quantity. Here, under the category computer spares, there are 4 products we have in this category and one of the item we have purchased in 16 pieces. The other items purchase quantity will be below to the 16. So this is the highest purchased quantity we have under the category computer spares. Similarly, we might have sold many items under different bills and under this category, what is the highest selling quantity? Which product we have sold more and what is the quantity? One of the product we have sold under this computer space and that sales quantity of that specific product is coming 6 numbers. That information we can see in this report. The another one is there may be damages occurred in different categories. In which category the most damages are occurred, and what is the quantity or highest quantity of the damaged product. Here we can see many of the categories displaying as 0. It means no damage is reported in these categories, and 3 product is having quantities mentioning in this highest damaged quantity. It means under the category garments there is a damage of the product. The total damage or highest quantity damaged is 2 numbers. Since it is category wise stock analysis, we will get the total quantity or highest damaged quantity information based on the category only, in which product this highest quantity is damaged. That we have to check in another report, category wise stock report, product wise category wise stock report. That information will be available. So this report is very useful for the managers or owners to get an analysis about the selling price, the current stock, and category wise stock value, how much damages are occurring in each category, in which category damages are occurring more, in which category more sales are getting, in which category more purchases are being made. All such information we can see with the help of this category wise stock analysis report. This is very useful for the managers. The another report is here. The date range I am giving is 1st August to 18th August. I want to generate a report about the sales history of all the invoices during the date range 1st August to 18th August. By entering this date range, daily sales counterposition products, click on this products button. We can see bill number, date, to which customer this invoice is generated, what is the bill amount, what is the payment method, and the payment method adopted by the customer. All such information we can see in this detailed daily sales history. At the same time, against each bill, what are the products we have sold. All such information also we can see with the help of this daily sales detailed history report. Here in the bottom side we can see total during the date range we have selected. there are 21 bills and the total amount is coming 24,670. Out of that, by cash, the customer has settled 23,430 and by card, customer has used 1,240. So, what is the total bill amount and what payment method the customer has adopted? Bill information as well as inventory information will be available in this detailed sales history. So this report is very useful for understanding the sales history of the company during a specific period of time, and by checking this report on every day, this is very easy for you to make a sales audit. By clicking this daily sales summary, the date range we have selected is 1st August to 18th August. The top side we can see during this date range, total sales happened is 24,670. Total bills count is 21. And during this date range, how many days we have sold the products? That is 7 days we have sold the product. And in the left side you can see on 3rd August there are 4 bills and this 4 bills total is coming 5,290. 7th August there are only 1 bill and the bill amount is 620. And on 10th August there are 12 bills we have generated or issued 12 sales invoices. The total amount is coming 14,040. So one entry for one date. For a particular date, how many bills we have issued and what is the total amount of that sales bills, that will be displayed here. So this will be very useful for the owners or managers of the company to make a daily analysis of sales for daily comparison. The another daily sales summary is daily sales summary by list. By click on this list button, in the previous case there was a summary of the daily sales based on a date. If we have sold 5 bills in a single day or a specific day, system will comprise the total of all the invoices happened in a specific day. In this case, the system will display individual bill as well as bill amount date wise during the date range we have selected. Here we can see on 3rd August there are 4 sales bills we have issued. The bill number, the bill amount, this is the another bill number, bill amount. So date wise individual bill number as well as the sales amount, that will be displayed in this report. This is also very useful for auditing the sales invoices. The another method is or another report is top bill. Click on this top bill. During the date range we have entered, system will generate a report of sales report as which bill amount is the highest one, that will appear in the top, and which sales amount is the lowest one, that will appear in the bottom. So this is also very useful for the managers to identify which bill number is having more value, as well as to which customer we have issued this bill or sales bill. That information also you can see here in this report. It means customer sunrise account. This customer has made the top purchase from us via the bill number 230436 on 10th August, and the sales bill amount is 4950. The another customer is customer savior wide source of bill number on the same day 10th August. The total sales amount is 2100. So in this way we can make a daily analysis of sales report for easy auditing and sales analysis. The another MIS features we will discuss in the next session. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.